Zanu Mnangagwa, who has filed a high court application seeking the removal of President Emmerson Mnangagwa from the position of Zanu-PF secretary, says he is receiving death threats amid worsening factionalism in the ruling party. In an interview with VOA Zimbabwe service, Mnangagwa dismissed presidential spokesperson George Chiramba's remarks that he is not a ZANU-PF member, saying, "I joined ZANU-PF at a very tender age and am still in the party." He claimed that some suspected ZANU-PF members are threatening to harm him. In any society there are some overzealous people. Some of the comrades have been trying to please their masters. They have been sending threats, messages, and some have been calling threatening, but I don't see why anyone would want to harm me, because this is just a court application. If they have anything against it, they should just file their opposing papers instead of calling and harassing me. In a tweet with Mnangagwa's photo, presidential spokesperson George Chiramba, using the Twitter handle Jamwanda, said, "Face yakatai kuitayu ZANU-PF. It yim wari imi. This can be the face of a ZANU-PF member. Fear God." Reacting to these remarks, Mnangagwa said Chiramba is not a spokesperson of the party and therefore he should stop talking about ZANU-PF matters. He is a crazy man. Who listens to Chiramba? He doesn't act like a presidential spokesperson. This is a party matter, it's not a government issue. I have been a member of ZANU-PF since I was in Form 3, and I have got evidence to support that. I have got my current membership card, I have got my membership card before the change in leadership. So, for a person like Chiramba to come out to say I'm not a party member, he doesn't know me, that does not mean that I'm not a party member. And we don't work with Chiramba in ZANU-PF because he is only a spokesperson of the president regarding government matters, not party matters. When it comes to party matters we have our own spokesperson. Mnangagwa filed a court order seeking the nullification of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's leadership of ZANU-PF, saying his elevation was illegal, as the Central Committee that made the decision to remove the late former President Robert Mugabe from the post of party secretary was not properly convened. Mnangagwa and other respondents are expected to file opposing affidavits in the next 10 days. Job Sakala, vice chairperson of the opposition MDC Alliance, said in a tweet, "This young man has caused shockwaves in his party ZANU-PF. He wants his party to follow the proper procedures in the assumption of office by his leaders. He clearly articulates in his founding affidavit how power was unconstitutionally usurped in his party. Fight for justice." Chiramba shot back saying, "Poor propagandists. Baldly they own their own because of acute anxiety to press home a desperate